Modern industrial equipment increasingly integrates electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC, systems. This integration means that troubleshooting and maintaining these complex systems demands a broad understanding of all their components, not just the electrical aspects. A technician who understands how these systems interact can more effectively diagnose and repair problems. Hydraulic and pneumatic systems often involve high pressures and potentially hazardous fluids. Understanding the safety protocols and operating principles of these systems is crucial for an electrical technician to work safely and effectively. Improper handling or maintenance can lead to accidents, injuries, or equipment damage. Employers highly value candidates who possess cross-functional skills. Knowledge of hydraulics, pneumatics, and HVAC expands job prospects and makes an electrician more competitive in the industry. These skills open doors to a wider range of positions and demonstrate versatility. To learn hydraulics, pneumatics, and HVAC skills, firstly, some apprenticeship programs may include basic coverage of hydraulics and pneumatics as part of their curriculum. However, this coverage is not always comprehensive. Technicians should check with their apprenticeship program to determine the extent of the training offered. Secondly, there are dedicated technical schools and training programs that offer specialized courses in hydraulics, pneumatics, and HVAC. These programs provide hands-on training and industry certifications, enhancing practical skills and knowledge. Thirdly, numerous resources, including online materials and textbooks, are available for self-study. Supplement knowledge by reading technical manuals and studying industry standards. Working alongside experienced technicians provides valuable on-the-job training and practical experience. Getting industry-recognized certifications, such as those from the Fluid Power Society International, or FSI, or HVAC Excellence, can demonstrate proficiency and enhance credibility in these areas. Consider these specific skills and knowledge. Regarding hydraulics, learn about types of hydraulic systems like open center and closed center systems. Open center systems are characterized by a constant flow of fluid from the pump, with excess fluid being returned to the reservoir when no actuators are in operation. This design simplifies the control valves but can be less energy efficient. Closed center systems, on the other hand, maintain pressure throughout the system, only supplying fluid when an actuator is activated. This design is more energy efficient and allows for precise control. It's crucial to know the hydraulic components, such as pumps, valves, and cylinders. Pumps are the heart of the hydraulic system, responsible for generating the flow of fluid. Different types of pumps, such as gear pumps, vane pumps, and piston pumps, have varying performance characteristics and applications. Valves control the direction, pressure, and flow rate of the hydraulic fluid. Cylinders convert hydraulic energy into linear mechanical force and motion. Understand hydraulic fluids and their properties. Hydraulic fluids transmit power within the system. Different fluids have different properties in terms of viscosity, temperature stability, and compatibility with system components. Choosing the right fluid is essential for optimal system performance and longevity. Ensure that you are following safety protocols for hydraulic systems. Hydraulic systems operate under high pressure, so safety is paramount. Technicians must be trained to recognize hazards, use personal protective equipment, and follow lockout-tagout procedures to prevent accidents. Regarding pneumatics, learn about the different types of pneumatic systems. Pneumatic systems use compressed air to transmit power. Common types include open-loop and closed-loop systems, each with different control characteristics. It is important to learn about pneumatic components like compressors, valves, and actuators. Compressors generate the compressed air that powers the system. Valves control the direction and flow rate of the compressed air. Actuators, such as cylinders and rotary actuators, convert pneumatic energy into mechanical motion. Also understand air quality and its impact on pneumatic systems. The quality of compressed air is crucial for the reliable operation of pneumatic systems. Contaminants such as moisture, dirt, and oil can damage components and reduce efficiency. Air filters, regulators, and lubricators are used to maintain air quality. Ensure that you are following safety protocols for pneumatic systems. While pneumatic systems typically operate at lower pressures than hydraulic systems, safety is still important. Technicians must be aware of potential hazards such as compressed air leaks and flying debris, and follow appropriate safety procedures. Regarding HVAC, learn about the principles of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC systems regulate temperature, humidity, and air quality in buildings and industrial processes. Understanding the underlying principles of thermodynamics, heat transfer, and fluid mechanics is essential for effective troubleshooting and maintenance. Understand the different types of HVAC systems like split systems and variable refrigerant flow, or VRF systems. Split systems are commonly used in residential and light commercial applications, consisting of an outdoor unit and an indoor unit. VRF systems are more complex, using multiple indoor units connected to a single outdoor unit, allowing for individual zone control and energy efficiency. It's important to learn the HVAC components like compressors, condensers, and evaporators. Compressors compress the refrigerant, increasing its temperature and pressure. Condensers reject heat from the refrigerant to the outside air. Evaporators absorb heat from the inside air, cooling it down. Consider energy efficiency and sustainability in HVAC systems. Modern HVAC systems are designed to be energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Technicians should understand concepts such as energy efficiency ratio, or ER, seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER, and the use of refrigerants with low global warming potential. These skills and knowledge areas are interconnected and crucial for effectively maintaining and troubleshooting integrated industrial systems. Continuously updating your knowledge and skills through training and experience will enhance your value as an electrician in the industrial sector.